starting off this morning early. It's about 5 o'clock, heading to Paducah, Kentucky. There's a restaurant there that I'm going to be doing a fiber extension and 5 Cat 5 runs for IPTV. Just throwing some fuel in the truck and we'll hit the road. Got the truck fueled up. Now time to get me fueled up. Yeah, baby. Got a fiber extension and 5 Cat 5s for IPTV. Let's head inside and I'll show you what we're working with. They're going to be placing the fiber modem inside this cabinet, so we're just going to run everything to faceplates right here. That way if they redo this counter or move it, they'll be able to just unplug it and plug back in. I'm going to be cutting in 2 faceplates. Now that I got glow rods in the wall, it's time to hop in the attic, which is in the bathroom, of course. All right, let's take a look. Up here in their attic, you can see their original roof, and then at some point they added a new roof on top. Our D-mark should be down this way. Let me head down there and take a look. And bingo, we have our glow rod with that little bit of insulation sticking on top. Let's grab that and we'll take it to the first 3 TV locations, which are all that way. Got the glow rods, now time to get it pulled over there. I already drilled a hole and fed the glow rods up for the first 2 TV locations. They're going down in the same spot. Here's the glow rod for it. Let me get the cable tied on and we'll run TV number 3. The second set of cables tied on, it's the 2 remaining Cat 5s for TVs, and I went ahead and tied the fiber on so I can get it up in the attic. I'm gonna go ahead and focus on getting the 2 TVs finished out, and then we'll come back and finish up the fiber. Back in the attic I go. Now that I got the last 2 TV runs finished up, I'm gonna go ahead and drill the hole for the fiber to get it fed outside to the NID location. Let's get it. Here's that hole I just drilled outside. Now time to get the fiber fed through as I'm squished up here on this ductwork, so fun times. The cable gods have struck again and has delivered me a nice Klein screwdriver. Is it Klein or a knockoff? Boo, it's a knockoff. Well, I'll leave it there for the next guy. I have plenty. Got her coming out of the building, tucked away nice and neat, and into the NID. Fiber's done on this side. Now to head inside, get the Cat 5s terminated, and get the faceplate put on the fiber. I've gotten all the cables terminated on the TV side. Now it's time to finish it out here. I was originally gonna put the Cat 5s in a 6-port faceplate, but this conduit being right here has prevented that. So I'm just gonna have to put 4 of them in a 4-port, and then the plate that I'm gonna put the fiber in is gonna be a 2-port. Just have to put the 5th Cat 5 there. It's not ideal, but then again, neither is having all your equipment in a cabinet, but that's where they have everything now. That's where they're planning for it all to go. So sometimes you just gotta work with what you got. I got them terminated in the faceplate and labeled. Now time to get the test modules plugged in, and I'll go around and test them just to make sure they're good. Yes. Fantastic. Woohoo! Yeah. Testing the actual light levels coming from the ISP. Their system requires minimum -24, and we're sitting at a -15.64, so that's quite serviceable. Now time to get everything loaded back up on the truck and hit the road.